Hi, I'm Erin. Today we're going to be making a balloon duck. And these are the materials you need. A balloon, a pencil, a marker, a scissor, some tape, and something to make a circle with, a little piece of string, a cardboard sheet, and some paper. And let's get right into it. Squish it, and then now we're going to twist it. If this is hard for you, you can ask an adult. Other than that, you need to take some string. And you can put a double knot for extra support. Now let's make beak, flippers, and foot out of paper. Now we are making a base for the balloon duck to stand on. You can roll the tape or use double-sided tape. Now it's time to assemble everything. Now I'm drawing eyes to finish my duck.